No, no, they've got water and oats and everything they need already. What are they doing? Oh my God, what are you doing? Everything's so cute right now. You saw that? Stinking cute.
It's called frolicking.
Oh my God. It's called Stealing My Heart.
It's because Bob Seger's Night Moves is playing.
This is this ASL sign for that. In sign language, I would say, I love ducks. That's like really low. She. No,
No,
he.
he.
He. It's a he. It's the he, yeah, for sure. Oh my gosh, what is he doing? It must be because there's so much water pooled there, because there's a lot of, there's a bare section there. And I bet it's pooled there that it thinks it, oh my gosh. I mean, to watch the rabbit roll around on its back yesterday. I just freaking love nature so much.